to go in and take a look at the tool that I use that literally makes sales for me while I sleep. This tool that I use, it actually is an autoresponder that basically when people comment on a reel or a post, it automatically sends them a message. So I want to show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm here on my Instagram. So you see this reel here. If you hover over it, you see that there's 225 comments. So let's click on it and take a look at what people are commenting, okay? So basically I tell the people to comment paperback, and what I'm going to do when they comment paperback is I'm actually going to send them a DM. Okay, so I'm not going through and copy and pasting and sending them a separate DM to their, to their DM. That would be outrageous. That would be crazy. I couldn't keep up. So what I do have, I use a tool and it automates the whole process. Okay, so if you take a look, all of these people are commenting paperback, and then you even see that I respond back, check your DMs. Okay, so I'm responding back to the people, letting them know, hey, take a look at your DMs. I sent you something. Okay, so this is what happens. Basically, they comment that, and then I send them a message. Okay, so let's take a quick look at one of these messages that was sent over. Okay, so basically, you will see that once they make a comment, they're going to get these messages. Okay, so let's take a look at the tool that I use. So here we are. I do have a link to this tool below this video. You can get signed up. You can start a free trial. You can go ahead and just kind of start playing around with it, diving into it, and seeing if this is something that works for you. I mean, it's a game changer for me. My sales have literally went up, and it's all automated. I'm not doing this. I have a system set up and it's automated. Okay, so I want to take a look at one of my automations that I have set up. So let's see here. Yeah, this one should be set up. So, all right, so we're going to go in here. Okay, we're just going to click edit. So let's click on user replies to your story. Okay, so a message will be sent when a follower replies to all stories, and reply or contain a specific word or reaction. So the word that's included is big goals. So if someone comments on my stories, big goals, then they're going to get a message. It's going to send this message here. Okay, so let's get out of that. And let's go over here. So user comments on your post or reel. So let's click on that. So basically it means that a reply message will be sent when a follower leaves a comment below any post or reel, and it contains a specific word or comment. So if someone goes to my Instagram, and they include the word big goals, they comment big goals, then what's going to happen is they're going to get a message in their DM. Okay, so let's take a look at the message that it gets. So you go in here, you can set all of this up, your copy. A lot of times I'll use AI to help me come up with my copy, so definitely think about doing that. They even have the option you can ask AI, and it'll help you come up with options. Okay, so you see I send them this message and I direct them to my product or service, and boom, they're able to take a look at my sales page and make an option. And listen, I didn't do any of this. It's automated. Of course, I had to set up the initial system, but once that system is set up and running, all you have to do is focus on posting your reels, posting your post, and watch the sales come in. Okay, and I even have a way that I automate my post in my reels. I'm going to go over that in another video, but guys, you definitely have to jump on this. Definitely try it out. What is it going to hurt? You get a free trial. You go over to ManyChat, click on the link below this video. That is my affiliate link, and I would be so thankful and grateful if you did use that. It's to no expense to you, but of course it gives me a little kickback for you signing up, okay, and getting started. So if you want to know, hey man, like how's this person responding? I'm not responding to all of this. I have a system set in place. it's automated, and like I said, it's making sales in my sleep. So it's so important to set up systems and automate systems within your business to see growth. For years, I had not had systems set up and I was not seeing growth. So I just definitely wanted to share this with you. Please, if you have any questions, post them below this video. Like I said, use the link below, check out mini chats, and give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value, and check out some of my other videos.